Hiya! Welcome back to my channel. This is today's look. If you like what you see, stick with me and I'll show you how to recreate it. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you can see when my future videos are released. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. I did use the Nyx Tame Frame in the shade Espresso. Next, I will be putting the base on my eyes, and I use shade 0.5 in the P.Louise base. Absolutely love this stuff. Highly recommend it. I always think the postman's going to knock right when I look like this. Look at that coverage. It's just absolutely flawless. I love it. Right, so today I am going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. If you haven't seen this palette, it's beautiful. It is really beautiful. Great for weddings. And this is what it looks like. And the first colour I'm going to use is Play. Right, the first brush I'm going to go in with is the Jessup 230 Luxe pencil brush. So I'm going to pick up quite a bit of that shade Play and place it just where the brow bone is. There we go. Just going to take a little Tarte brush here and give it some blend. We don't want no harsh lines here. Do-da, do-da. We don't want no harsh lines here. Oh, do-da-day. That is shade number 1 done. Let's go for shade number 2. So I'm going to stick with the Huda palette today, and I am going in with Secret. I'm going in with another clean brush, and I'm going in with the Jessup 223 Petite Eye Blender. Right, so this is where I want to pop it right in the crease. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go and darken the outer corners in. So I'm going to go with Teddy. Now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. Okay, so I've put some of the base on, but what I'm going to do is actually go in with a lip liner because I want to get quite a precise carve. As you can see, I have winged it out. Now, while that's still tacky, I'm going to go in with my pigment, and I absolutely love this. It is Peaches and Cream in Gatsby. Look how, you can't even see the words because it's so shiny, look. Don't worry about any fallout, any harsh lines that you can see, because we are going to go in with a wet wipe in a second and we're going to smarten all that up. Okay, now I'm just going to go in and clean it up a bit and smarten the lines up. Okay, now it's time for some liquid liner, and as you know, if you've seen my channel before, if you watched any of my videos before, I absolutely love the Nyx vinyl. Okay, so now I'm going to do some mascara before I pop my false lashes on. And again, today I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Is it though? Is it though? You tell me. The lashes that I'm using today are by Mollie Cosmetics, and I believe the style is MCM21. Voila. Does anyone else find that they get one lash that goes on so much better than the other? This lash here, every single time, whatever lash it is, no matter what brand it is, this one always goes on really easily and nicely. This one is a bugger. It flicks up in the corner all the time. Don't know why. I trim them, I do everything that you're supposed to do, and it still gives me grief. Anyone else does that? It's not just me, is it? I'm going to put some gel in my waterline. I'm going in with the gel liner in 722 from L.A Girl. So I'm just going to now go in on my bottom lash line with the shade Teddy from the Huda palette. So I'm quite happy with the eyes at the moment. What I'm going to do is do my foundation and prep my face. So I'm going in with the M.A.C Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. Highly recommend this. Once it goes on, it actually makes your skin feel like silk. It's so lovely. I'm just going to take a pump on my hand here. And I'll take a flat brush and just coat that all over my face. Soft as a baby's. You know what? We like to keep it clean on this channel. We don't have no swearing. We don't say no crude words. But we do insinuate them. Right, it is foundation time. So I absolutely adore Estēe Lauder Double Wear. And I wear shade 1N0 Porcelain. Do I look like I could work for the company? Ooh. Ah. And I just dot it on all over. And then we blend, 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 blend. Okay, it is contouring time. So I absolutely love the NYX palette. I'm going to go for just powder today. I can't really see me doing... Oh, I don't want to lie to you. I can't be bothered to do any cream. So I'm just going to do the powder. Okay, so I'm going in with this shade and this shade. Ooh. Do you know what? Actually, I haven't done just powder contour in a long time. And I think I prefer it. I think that's coming out a lot nicer than when I cream contour. Yep, I prefer it. Right, okay, now I'm going to go in and do some highlighting underneath my eyes. I like to go in with a Tarte Shape Tape and I use shade Fair. Sarah's top tip of the day: if you live in the UK and you're finding it difficult to get hold of the Tarte Shape Tape, if you go onto QVC on their website, they actually sell Tarte Shape Tape. They sell like a wide variety of different Tarte products, and believe me, they are really, really good. So if you're struggling and you don't want to pay customs to get it shipped over from America, there is a little top tip for you. So I just pat this under my eyes, a little bit on my nose, a little bit up here, a little bit on my chin. Okay, for blusher today, I am going in with Rockateur from Benefit. As you can see, I've used this bad boy a lot. Beautiful shade. Okay, I'm just going to go in now with some Peaches and Cream strobing powder in Halo. For the highlight in the inner corner of my eyes and just on the tip of my nose and Cupid's bow, I'm actually going to go back in with the Ofra in Glazed Donut. Absolutely love this. It is stunning. Look at that. I love it. Makes your lips look bigger as well, I think. Right, only one thing left to do, and that is a lip. So because we are going quite neutral today, I am going to stick with neutral. So I could either use, what do I want to use? I could either go with the Ciate. Thank you for the person who told me how to say it right. I could either use the Ciate, and that's more of like a pinky nude, which could work. Or I could go in with Peaches and Cream in Bambi. Do you know what? I'm going to try the Ciate. If it's not very nice, I'll wipe it off and you'll never know. I love it. So pretty. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please remember to subscribe down below. I will leave all the links in the description so you can see exactly what products I used and where you can get them from.